Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to draw orthographic projection, and for that this is the component. Here it is the x direction for the front view, so I will write here front view. This will be the direction for right hand side view, and this is the direction for top view. So initially let's find out what are the dimensions which are visible in the front view. So in the front view, this 70 mm and 45 mm. So this 45 mm we called it as height, and this 70 mm we called it as length. So length is of 70 mm and height is of 45 mm. Then in the right hand side view, we are able to see the dimension 100 mm. So 100 by the height 45. Now, as we know, we are going to find out, or we are going to draw front view, top view, and now it's time to draw the right hand side view. So the right hand side view will appear on the left side of this front view. So here it will be right hand side view. These three views we need to draw. That means on the right side, your sheet, on this right side, you need to draw the front view, so that you are able to draw the right hand side view towards the left side. So let's start with the help of drafter only. So see here, this one is a 70 mm by 20 mm height. I need to draw this block as a front view. So I'll draw this. See carefully. 10 mm, this 10 mm, then 20, and then 70 mm. So I will draw 70 mm. Then again 20, 10 and 8. (20), 10, 8, then 50 mm, this one, 50, and again the remaining portion which is of 8 mm as it is. So this face we have drawn. It is followed by this face. Now check out the dimensions. Height, this one is 45 minus this height 20 is equal to 25. So 25 is the height. So I will draw here 25, right? And after that 25, I will draw one faint line, and again I'll draw this one. These two faces. Then this much distance is of 15 mm on the both side, 15 mm and 15 mm. So I'll draw this one. Simply I will mark 15 mm. Right, 15 mm, this much distance. Then this height again is of 15 mm. So one more time. (15 mm). And simply connect it. So this will be this face. Now this inclined face is there. Even if it is inclined, but we are able to see this from the front view, and it will appear as a straight part. So here this much distance it is given 24. So for that I will draw a center line. This distance is of 70 mm. So at 35 I need to draw one center line. Right. So from the center line 24 mm I have to take. So 12 mm on the both side. So here it is 12 mm. I will mark these points and simply I need to follow this one. See, it is simple drawing. With the help of drafter you are able to draw all the views with a high speed. Now I will keep these two holes behind. After drawing the top view I will able to complete this one. Okay. Now after drawing this front view we need to show here some, say it is a 15 mm. I will leave 15 mm distance, and at the below of the front view I will leave this 15 mm distance, 15 mm, and now I need to draw the X and Y lines. Aesthetic is much more important while drawing the orthographic views. Now to complete the top view we need to project the end lines of the front view. So I will project these lines. Projections should be faint enough. Right? Now here it is 15 mm distance. I keep it as blank. So again here 15 mm distance I will draw one faint line. Now your top view this one is the top view. Now the edge which is opposite to the observer direction, here it is the observer direction and this edge is opposite to the observer direction. So this edge will appear here only. Okay, so I will start from here. So from the top I will able to see this line, this edge and this edge also as a single line. So we will draw one complete line over here. Then this is a 40 mm and remaining part. So I am able to see these lines also, these edges, these three edges as a single line which is at 40 mm away from this edge. So 40 mm away I will draw one more solid line, and after that remaining portion out of 100 the remaining portion is of 60 mm. So at the 60 mm I will get this edge. So 60 mm I will get one more edge. Okay. Now to show this face you need not to measure every dimensions in the top view because already we have drawn in the front view. So simply I need to project these points. So this edge means this edge will appear on this line. So here it is. This edge is belongs to this one. So here it is. Similarly on the other side. Now with the help of roller I will connect these two lines. Okay. Now I will extend this dotted line in this way. Now you are not able to see this slot from the top view, so this slot will appear throughout the component with a dotted line. So throughout the component, dotted line. If the material is present throughout the length or throughout the width or throughout the height, then slot will appear throughout the component. See here. This line indicates the slot. Now, these are the two diagrams which we need to complete in top view only. So to find the center point of this circle, which is 20 mm away from this edge. Here it is the edge, 20 mm away. So at the 20 mm, I will draw one more center line. And read it carefully. Diameter 10 means radius is of 5 mm. Radius is of 5 mm. Now to avoid the confusion, immediately I will draw the dotted line for this one. See here, material is present from this level to the bottom level. So the hole which is throughout this material, but from this edge. So I will project this. I will project this hole in the front view. Similarly, edges. Okay. Now, next thing, this one. So see the dimensions. From this edge, 20 mm, again 20 mm. So I need to mark these two center lines. So I'll mark here 20 mm. I'll mark a single point. After 20 mm, I'll mark a single point. Now, in this way. Now here, the radius is of 10 mm. Previously it was diameter and now it's a radius. So take the radius 10 mm and from this point mark a half circle. Again from the another point again mark half circle. Okay, now simply we need to connect these 2 points. Okay, now I need to form here the right hand side view. So for that I need not to mention any dimensions, or I need not to carry the dimensions. Only with the help of projections we will complete the right hand side view. But before that we are going to complete the dimensions of the front view and top view. Remember that while giving the dimensions you need to show the major dimensions initially. These are the major dimensions. I will show it. So this dimension is of 40 mm. This dimension is of 60 mm. That means total this dimension is of 100 mm. Now here it is. This dimension is of 20 mm and this dimension is of 25 mm. Then at the upper side, do not repeat the dimensions. This dimension is of this one 15 mm and this dimension is of 24 mm. Now if you want to form the total dimension, so instead of writing over here, in the top view I will mention the total dimension. So it should be 70 mm. Right. Now the diameters. Radius is of 10 mm. And diameter is of 10 mm. Right. Now to obtain the right hand side view, I have to mark here 45-degree line. So from this point I need to mark 45-degree line. Right. So by means of projections only we are going to complete this. So project the front view, measure dimensions, project the top view, measure dimensions, so your view will be inside of this block only. Now see here, 100 mm, this bottom edge 100 mm, which is this one, we have projected. So I will form here 100 mm, okay, height 25 mm, right, sorry 20 mm, this one 100, 20, then 60. So here it is. Simply by means of projections only you need to complete this view. Now this edge, this flat face, how to project? It should be dotted line. This slot, now next one, center line. I need to project this center line. Throughout the component. Then 10 mm diameter. Now see here, okay. Now I need to complete this in the front view. See here, this slot starts from this face, so here it is the face, so only we need to project these points up to this level only. Right, again I need to show the center line in the side view also. So here it is, center line in the side view, right, and dotted line is of end part of this slot, end part. Right, now I need to show this much distance, which is of 20 mm. So center line, so in this I will show here 20 mm distance. Right, 8 mm slot, we need to show it. Okay, here it is the minor change. This should not be there, okay, because this bottom hole and this hole is up to this line, so this should not be there, and again it is also wrong. So make these corrections. Thank you very much.